Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use management reports in QuickBooks Online. Management reports are a powerful way to consolidate your financial data into professional, polished documents that you can share with stakeholders, team members, or clients, making it much easier to communicate your business performance. To get started, head over to the left menu in QuickBooks Online and click on Reports. This is your central hub for all reporting features. Once you're on the Reports page, look at the top of the screen and click on the Management Reports tab. This section is specifically designed for creating comprehensive multi-page reports that go beyond standard financial statements. You'll now see a selection of default management report templates. QuickBooks offers several pre-built options like company overview, sales performance, or expense performance. These templates are designed to give you a head start, so choose the one that best matches what you want to communicate. Click on your chosen template to open it up. Now it's time to make this report your own. Click the drop-down menu and select Edit to begin customizing. This is where you can personalize the cover page, adjust the table of contents, and add introductory notes that provide context for whoever will be reading the report. This customization helps you tailor the report to your specific audience and purpose. On the left sidebar, you'll see different sections like cover page, table of contents, and preliminary pages. Scroll through each of these sections to review and modify them as needed. This organizational structure ensures your report flows logically and looks professional. When you reach the Reports and Charts section, you'll find the real flexibility of management reports. Click the Add drop-down to insert additional reports or charts that you want included. If there are any reports you don't need, simply click the trash icon next to the corresponding report to remove it. You can also click the pencil icon to edit individual reports within your management report. To change the order of your reports, just drag and drop them into your preferred sequence. This control over structure lets you tell your financial story exactly the way you want. Once you're satisfied with all your customizations, click Save to preserve your changes. Before you share this report, click Preview Report to see exactly how it will appear to others. This preview gives you a chance to catch any final adjustments you might want to make. Finally, when everything looks perfect, you have 3 options for sharing. Click Download to save a copy to your computer, Print to create a physical version, or Send to share the report directly with your team or stakeholders. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.